How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon, April 14th sales update. What a difference. Uh, if you've seen the video from yesterday, I had 4 sales in the US, 5 I think in total, and it was the day was tied for the lowest day since the beginning of March, at least in the US, which was 4 sales. And then we get to today, and as you can see, 11 sales in the US and 3 across the board. So 1 in France, Spain, and Japan, for the total of 14. So that this pretty much, these last 2 days pretty much summarize how April has been going for me. It has been completely unpredictable. There has been zero consistency, and it's just all over the place. I mean, I've been thinking about this for this video, and what I get out of it is my overall total, my overall average isn't fluctuating as much. So, for example, I'm still on track to get that 250 to 300 sales for the month. And if we're looking at just the US sales, I just hit 105, which means that I'm going to be close to 200, well, maybe over 200, maybe around like 212, 230, which is kind of average, like exactly where December and January have been. Like it's probably not going to go as high as March unless there are a few spectacular days. But so that's what I'm trying to say is like the average, the overall long term, like the monthly result, will be kind of where I expected it to be. But then when I have days like Tuesday and Sunday, you get that kind of funny feeling where you start to worry and kind of think like what's going on. So I try to remind myself over and over that this is part of the game. Like there are going to be days that are extremely low days. There are going to be days that where I get 4 or 5 sales, but then you're gonna have a day where you get 14, and that's where it's gonna average out. So right now the average, like with today's one, which again is on the lower side, my average has been between 60 and 65 sales for the week, for the like 7-day average. And as you can see, like I said, this month I'm sitting at 105. So royalties are $385.41 just in the US, and I haven't done the math, but if we do this quickly, this is 50 here, 430, 400, so about 450, 460 dollars in royalties when you take in the conversion rate into consideration. So again, really, really good. I can't complain. $2,500 in total sales, and the numbers are just adding up. So that's kind of where I am with the unpredictability of April. If you look at any of the videos from March, and just this chart alone, like you'll see like almost a straight line, like it's going across. I think I was hitting 10s and 11s pretty much every day. There were a few days, where that was kind of like messed up. But right now, as you can see, there are a bunch of dips and then spikes, and I have no idea what's going to happen today or tomorrow. So today, I'm recording this on the 15th, first thing in the morning, and there's already 1 sale. So that's already way better than by what I had by 4 p.m. 2 days ago, because the first sale I think came in at like 4 or 5 p.m. The other thing that's happened with these sales is that more than half of these are new products, which always makes me happy. As you can see here, pop sockets, few phone cases, and that's not so bad. The one thing that I actually like, as you can see, My newer products, where I'm pricing them, even standard t-shirts are 19.99. My royalties are $5. Phone cases, you can see 428, and then pop sockets are still at 225. So the averages are actually pretty good. So this is the royalties per sale average for the day, and it's 383. So again, around $4 a sale. I'm definitely not complaining. And then the sales in the U.S. Were just over $200 for the total royalties of 42. And again, that was higher. It's over $50 for the total, all the marketplaces, which is kind of nice. Let's see what else we can do here. So just wanted to look at the previous month total. I know, so 125 for this month so far, and then 308. So if we're gonna basically just double, because we're kind of halfway there, I'm expecting April to be lower than March. I don't think I'm gonna get up to 300 sales for this month, but as I was explaining yesterday in the video, that's kind of the expected dip for April. I've been seeing a few more comments, basically people saying, I have a few days in a row now with zero sales, and it's kind of that dip that we're expecting to get going into the summer months. So again, where I stand right now, I'm expecting about $1,000 in royalties, probably close to $5,000 in sales, and that's pretty good for April. I'm still struggling with dedicating time to uploading more products during the first couple of weeks of March. Pretty much all of March I was just listing every single day, and I really don't like what's been happening with April, and how I'm not actually listing. But I've just been so busy with my day job and everything else that I'm kind of now slacking when it comes to this. But I keep saying any hour that I get of free time, I'm gonna get on it, and I'm just gonna keep replacing these products that I want. I have the designs. It's just cleaning up those spreadsheets for merch Titans automation, and getting them listed. So that's kind of where I am. All the designs. So my priority has always been merch. But if I'm not listing products to merch, I am listing to all my other stores. So Etsy, eBay, Teespring, Society 6. I'm actually liking Society 6 now. My Redbubble sales, I've been getting a few of them. I never actually got into those marketplaces, those websites, because I feel like with let's say just taking Redbubble into consideration, it's more of like in my opinion, it's kind of like a social media platform for artists where you have to be involved, where you have to like and share other people's designs, where if your designs get likes, more people will see them. So it does take, I guess, time and effort to be involved, which is something that I'm definitely not doing. Like, I'm just listing products and I'm leaving them and I'm hoping that they will sell, and they're not selling. Like, I'm getting random sales, but nothing where, for example, like, it's not even worth a video where I can say, hey, I've made $100 in royalties this month, because that doesn't happen. So basically that's why merch is my priority, because these are real sales. That's the same thing with Etsy. eBay is also interesting. Definitely not getting the sales that I was expecting. I can maybe do a video on eBay and Printful integration, just to kind of basically what I've done is I've transitioned from actually using eBay, because what I've done for years is ordered products from China, and then I would basically sell them, pack them myself, ship them to customers. So I've gotten completely out of that, and I've basically linked my store through the Printful integration, but it's not going as well as I thought. There's a lot more success with Etsy, so I don't know. I have to look at that. If anybody's actually done anything like that, let me know. I'm really curious because I really do like eBay. I've been working with eBay for so long. I can list thousands and thousands of products. So I don't want it to go to waste. Anyways, we're talking about merch, and I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. So overall, huge difference between yesterday and today. 11 sales in the U.S., 14 total, and the average is what I'm looking at. So I think the month, if it continues like this, will be another good month, and that's where I want to be. Anyways, 11 minutes. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon.